He's outside in the freezing weather as well.
Posing by a car to talk about cold weather and cars, and he's moving around pretty good. How are you, Brian?
I am moving around. That yoga pose, would it be something like this? I don't know what you would do, but anyway, back to the cold. You know, a lot of this may seem like common sense, but it bears repeating that when the temperatures get this low, it greatly impacts our vehicle. Now, people may be going outside this morning, going to start the car. It doesn't start. Well, one of the biggest culprits may be this right here. Your battery, when temperatures get near 0 degrees, your battery can lose 60% of its strength, and that means your car may not start. Now, if this happens, you'll have to jump start your car using jumper cables. If that's not an option, you'll obviously need to call a tow truck. And this all means it's time for a new battery, especially if the one you have is more than 3 years old. And if you think your battery is on its way out, get a new one before it leaves you stranded. And something else to note, when buying a new battery, pay close attention to the cold cranking amps. That will give you an idea of how well it works in the cold weather. Now, something else impacted in this kind of weather, your engine. When you start up your vehicle in the morning, you want to give it about a minute or so to warm up. That according to the AAA. And even for the first mile or two, you want to take it easy. Let the car warm up before you really get going. Our vehicles are like us. We got to warm up first. So definitely be warm and be safe out there. That's the very latest we are reporting live this morning from New Haven. Brian Spiros, News 8.